Okay, so in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2019 business documents question, and it came up as question 5, which is a short question and it's worth 6 marks. So you've got 2.5 minutes in which to do this, and question 5 reads, using the information given on the invoice extract below, complete the blank boxes. So invoice, a document that we send to customers when we sell them goods on credit, and selling on credit means that you give them the goods now and then they pay you later. So the total excluding VAT is 25,000 and the trade discount is 12%. So we're going to take away the trade discount. And now how do we get that? Well, into your calculators you would multiply by 12 and then find the percentage button, or you'll multiply by 0.12 and your answer then will be given to you, and it will be €3,000. Now you take that away because you're giving it as a discount to your customers, so your subtotal then is 22,000. Then you want to work out what your VAT is on that. So again, multiply it by 23% or multiply it by 0.23 into your calculator. When you get that figure, you are going to add your VAT, and you're adding your VAT because you have the seller has to collect the VAT on behalf of the revenue commissioners. So they send the VAT to the revenue on your behalf. So value added tax, we add that. So that is the 2019 business docs question done.